Kaur. I am your examiner today. What is your name?
My name is Prabhu Singh.
And what is your name?
My name is Khushpreet Kaur.
Okay, your name is Prabhu Singh, your candidate A. Your name is Khushpreet Kaur, candidate B. So my first question is for Prabhu Singh. What is your aim in your life?
My aim in life is to become a naval officer.
Okay, what about you, Khushpreet?
My aim is to become an IPS officer.
Okay, so this is the end of your task 1. Now we proceed to next task 2, that is your topic presentation. Here I give you one topic to both of you and you have to give your views on your topics. So when Prabjot will speak about his topic, then Khushpreet you will ask the question to the Prabjot, and after that I will ask him the questions. Then Prabjot, when Khushpreet will start his topic, her topic, then you will ask her the question and I will ask question to her. So your topics are, Prabjot, your topic is recycling, and Khushpreet Kaur, your topic is environment pollution. So you have 16 seconds to prepare your topic. Yes, Prabjot.
Today I am going to speak on the topic recycling. As we know that recycling is very important and it is very also nice and it is beneficial for our environment. As if we will do recycling, we can save many trees from being cut. As if we recycle paper, there is no need to make more and more paper and cut more trees. We will not cut more trees, there will be less pollution. So recycling is very useful. And recycling has a very simple process which we can do at home and at factories. At home we can recycle paper. By taking newspaper or a useless paper, we can cut it into or tear it into the paper bits and put it in water. When we mix them, then the paste will become of the paper bits, and that paste we can keep in a long plate or any another shaped utensil so that we can get the shape of the paper like that. So after getting dry, we can get the paper. So at last I may say that recycling is very important and every one of us should follow the rules of recycling and should do recycling.
Thank you. So Khushpreet, can you ask the question?
My question is, how can we do recycling?
Recycling is very important, as I told that if there are plastics or metal, then it is not easier to do at home because it needs many conditions that are only available in the factories. So we can give them in the factories. The people also come to our streets to collect that plastic bottles and other many things. So we can give to them instead of burning. Next is paper. Sometimes we get for getting a bonfire with burn papers, but we don't use the wood instead of that. So instead of burning them, we can only tear them and put them in water. When we will put them in water, they will on mixing them we will get a paste, and that paste we can put in a utensil for getting dry. After drying, you get your paper.
Okay. So Prabjot, my question is for you. Okay, what are the benefits of recycling for us?
The benefits of recycling are that first of all, it gives a creativity to another person. One who does recycling gets a creativity. And second, we can say that if one recycles, he saves many trees. As we will recycle the paper, we can save many trees, and for making paper, they cut so many trees. And if we will not cut the trees, the pollution will also be less. So it is very important for our environment to do recycling. It is very nice and it is not having any diseffect of it or disadvantage.
Okay, thank you. Khushpreet, can you please start your topic?
My topic is environmental pollution. Environmental pollution is a man-made calamity and currently the biggest problem that man has ever faced. Pollution of environment is the biggest danger of industrialization. Man in his desire of expansion of industries has gone beyond limits. There is suffocation and pollution all around. Scientists and statesmen today are worried over man's misuse and abuse of nature. The problem of pollution is a danger to man's health, man's happiness, safety and future. There is impurity in the air we breathe, the food we take, the water we drink and the atmosphere we live in. The result we can found over our selfishness and greediness are the bad result for about our life. So we should take some necessary steps to control pollution. Thank you.
Okay, Prabjot, can you please ask the question?
question is that how can we stop the environmental pollution?
To stop the pollution or control the pollution, we should plant more trees and the regular checkup of vehicles to be done.
Okay, what are the main causes behind the pollution?
The main causes behind the pollution are increasing of greenhouse effect gases like carbon dioxide and global warming.
Okay, thank you. Now this is the end of your task 2. Now we'll go for next task, task 3, that is your problem solving. Here I give you one problem to both of you and you have to solve together. So your problem is, one of your classmates talks very loudly and does not let others participate in class. Discussion. Discuss the problem and what advice you would give her. So here I give you 16 seconds to solve this problem. Yes, Prabhajot.
The problem is that she doesn't allow others to speak in the class or participate in the class.
She creates indiscipline in the class and does not let others to speak.
So what advice you give to her?
The first advice we can give that we can ask to a teacher so that they can say her not to speak so loudly that others get disturbed. And the second can be that we should also explain her that she is not alone in the class and other students should also be given the time to speak or that they can express their views in the class. She is not one in the class who can express her views.
Pushpin, would you agree with your partner?
Yes, I'm agree.
And how would your friend react on your idea?
My friends would react nice because we all are friends and they are also getting disturbed by her and everyone in the class would be agree.
Okay, thank you. This is the end of your task 3 and end of your listening and speaking skills. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.